This might be the most important video you watch this year, because if you work, if you study, if you train, everything in your life depends on one thing: your ability to focus. Let's be honest. Staying focused today is brutal. One moment you're working, the next moment you're doom scrolling TikTok for an hour. Sound familiar? You're not lazy. You're not broken. You're just untrained. Here's the truth most people don't understand. Focus is not a personality trait. It's a skill, and hyperfocus. That's a skill you can train. In this video, I'll give you a step-by-step system to enter hyperfocus mode and get more done in less time than most people do all day. Step 1. Kill distractions, no mercy. If you want deep focus, distractions must die. Social media, turn it off. Games, take a break. Constant notifications, silence them. Even people who drain your energy, you need boundaries. Here's something important. Your brain is not designed for constant stimulation. Every time you check your phone, every time you switch tasks, your focus resets to 0. That's why it feels so hard to start again. So do this. Leave your phone in another room. Block distracting websites. Set strict social media limits. Ask yourself honestly, how many hours do you waste every day? 2, 3, more. Take that time back, and you're instantly ahead of 99% of people. Step 2. Create a focus ride. Your brain loves habits. Before deep work, do a simple focus ritual. It can be deep breathing, stretching, sitting still for 30 seconds, setting a timer. This tells your brain one thing: it's time to lock in. Elite athletes do this before big games. You should do it before deep work. Even one deep breath, done consistently, trains your mind to switch into focus mode on command. Step 3. The 15-minute RUL. Here's why most people fail. Hyperfocus takes 10 to 15 minutes to activate, but most people quit at minute 5. So here's the rule. Commit to just 15 minutes. No distractions, no phone, no checking messages. Just pure focus. That's it. And something powerful happens. Your brain switches gears. Time starts to disappear. You enter flow state. That's where real results come from. Step 4. Hack your DOPA. Your brain runs on dopamine. If focus feels painful, your brain will resist it. So, make it enjoyable. Use instrumental music. Turn tasks into small challenges. Reward yourself after deep work sessions when your brain enjoys the process. You stop relying on motivation, and motivation becomes irrelevant. Step 5. Control your ENV. ENA environment shapes your behavior. A messy desk creates a messy mind. So simplify. Keep only essentials on your desk. Work in a clean, quiet space. Use noise-canceling headphones. Fun fact, J.K. Rowling booked entire hotel rooms just to finish her books. Why? Because focus is priceless. If she needed a distraction-free environment, so do you. Final truth. If you follow this system, everything changes. You'll work faster, learn better, train harder. While most people stay distracted 24/7, you'll be sharpening your mind. So here's my question. What is your biggest distraction right now? Drop it in the comments. Remember, focus isn't something you're born with, something you build.